welcome to the course entitled Properties of One-Dimensional Random Variables, Theory and Practice. The course has been designed and prepared by Xavier Erdocia and Itxaso Lezeta, both university lecturers in the Department of Applied Mathematics of the University of the Basque Country. Statistical techniques are used in all areas of science. Statistics is an essential tool in engineering, since it allows us to know, predict, control, and manage the changing phenomena effectively. The management of mass data in the current society is urgent, especially considering that the data to be treated as a consequence of Industry 4.0 will be more and more numerous. Knowing how to draw a conclusion from this data is essential. This course is aimed at all students who want to deepen their knowledge on one-dimensional random variables in the statistical field. To take this course, it is recommended that the students have internalized basic mathematical concepts.
The lessons to be addressed in the course will be the following. First, the one-dimensional random variable is defined and its moments are described. To start, we will see concept of one-dimensional random variable, mean value, moments of the random variable, measures of position, dispersion measures, Fisher coefficients, Chebyshev's inequality. Next, the functions of one-dimensional random variable. What we are going to see in the next lesson is probability function, density function, distribution function, characteristic function, and generating function. Once the aspects related to the one-dimensional random variable have been addressed, the most important discrete and continuous distributions will be shown. Among the discrete distributions, we will see binary distribution, binomial distribution, geometric distribution, negative binomial distribution, hypergeometric distribution, and distribution of Poisson. Among the continuous distributions, we will see uniform distribution, exponential distribution, and normal distribution. Finally, the use of free software R will be explained for the resolution of exercises on random variables. First of all, installation of R and first steps with R. Then, the discrete and continuous distributions will be studied using R.
The character of the course is theoretical-practical, in which the acquired theoretical concepts must be applied to different exercises. In addition, the use of free software R is described as an exercise solution tool. In order to take the full advantage of this course, the suggested educational method is the following. The student should read the theory of each lesson and assimilate the most important concepts. If there is any doubt, the bibliography could be checked for clarification. The recommended readings will be of great help to the student. The student should understand the examples that have been already solved by the lecturers, so that, by internalizing them, students acquire the skills to solve the proposed exercises by themselves. After understanding the examples, a student should solve the suggested exercises and check that the obtained results are correct. Finally, the self-evaluation test must be performed. The course duration is 55 hours and is designed to be carried out for 8 weeks. The time that is recommended to spend for theory and activities of each lesson is adapted to their needs, being concretized in the timetable. However, each student will be able to organize its learning time in the way they deem appropriate. The following schedule details the recommended time for each lesson. Within each topic, theory and practice have been differentiated, so that the students know the time they can allocate to each part. We hope that the course will be of your liking and utility.